Let us find out how much you have learned from our previous videos. It is time for some fun activity. So, let's get started. Quickly grab a pen and a piece of paper before we start, and start noting the answers. You will see a set of questions related to numbers in French. The answers have to be given in words. Let's begin. There are a set of questions. Listen to them carefully and write down your answers. Take a picture of the written answers and post it in the comment section. The first 5 of them giving correct answers can book a free 30-minute session with a native speaker and ask anything related to the French language. 1. A pair equals. 2nd, number of days in a week. 3rd, number of fingers on one hand. 4th, number of colors in a rainbow. 5, number of months in a year. 6, number of planets in solar system. 7, number of sides on a triangle. 8, number of continents on Earth. 9, number of days in February, non-leap year. 10th, number of teeth in an adult human mouth. 11th, number of letters in the French alphabet. 12th, number of players in a soccer team. 13, number of stars on the American flag. 14, number of hours in a day. Quickly post your answers to avail a free 30-minute session with a native speaker. Follow us for more such fun activities. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in our next video.